If it's Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. Hey everybody and welcome to, if it's Sunday, it must be another cloudy Sunday here in New England. So today we are going to make, as part of our appetizer and small bite summer, today we're going to make one of our family's go-to appetizers, which is beer steamed peel and eat shrimp. Are you ready to learn how? It's super easy. Here we go. All right, so here I have about a dozen shrimp. These are in the 16, these are probably in the 15 to 1620 range per pound. And so if you see that number, that's the number per pound. So if you see where it says 1620 or something like that, that number is how many per pound. And these are also called they're called colossal. You can get them even bigger as extra colossal. They even have a size called U10, which is under 10 to a pound. Those things are really big shrimp. I know that is a complete oxymoron, but they are big shrimp. Anyways, so we put our shrimp in here. Then we're going to take a bottle of beer, any beer you want. The unofficial beer, I guess, of the Tiki Bar is Corona. So we're pouring that in there, a bottle of Corona. We're going with a kind of a Corona theme today, anyways, here at the Tiki Bar. All right, so we've got in one bottle of beer, dozen shrimp. I've got right here some pickling spice that you can get on the spice aisle, and you only want to put in maybe about a. You can put in as much as you want, but maybe it goes a long way. So I wouldn't put in more than about a teaspoon or so, because if you do it, it overtakes it, and you want to be able to get the beer and the shrimp and the pickling spices, all that flavor combined. Really super simple. After that, we're going to just put that right here on our burner, and we're going to let that cook until basically it'll start to steam and boil, and within like 5 minutes or so, we will be ready to go. While we're waiting for it, I'm going to show you how to make a really quick cocktail sauce that I like to make real easy. So here I have a cup of, this is a mixture of chili sauce and ketchup. Now, if I had my druthers, I would go with chili sauce first. Ketchup is a great second backup. We happen to have a little bit of chili sauce and a lot of ketchup in the house, so that's what I mixed. So that's a cup of that. And then I have right here about 2 tablespoons of horseradish, prepared horseradish that you get in the jar. And you can put in more or less depending on your strength of how much you like horseradish. We like a lot of horseradish in this house. So our cocktail sauce has a nice kick to it, as I like to say. Then we add just some lemon to it. As you can see, just some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice to it. And I always say the juice of half a lemon. It's the best way to describe it. All right, and we're gonna just mix that up. Now, we could stop right here and it would be a freaking awesome cocktail sauce, but I always like to kick it up to another level. So I was gonna try, this is a little ghost pepper sauce. This will make them feel good for tonight's shrimp cocktail. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Woohoo! All right, anyways, we've got our sauce ready. So we'll hold that until we're ready. And then we're waiting on our shrimp to boil. But before we go to our shrimp being done, you know what time it is. It's time for our favorite part of the show. What's Joe drinking? Remember I said it's a Corona themed day? Well, today we are my son has taught me how to make a cool cocktail with a Corona beer. So, whoa. All right, so don't worry about the behind the scenes banging back there. Cameraman is causing trouble today. It's what happens when camera lady's not on the cameras. So, anyways, we take a Corona beer. We took a big swig out of it. You then pour in a shot of tequila, a hint of grenadine, and a splash of lime juice, and that's what it looks like. And where he calls it I guess it's his version of a Corona Sunrise is what he's calling it. And cheers! I have not had this yet, so based on my facial expression, we'll see if I like it or not. Oh, I like it. All right, it's a keeper. So easy to go. Wow, it's got some kick to it. I forgot there's tequila in this. All right, so again, you take a swig out of your beer, you put in a shot of tequila, you put in a splash of grenadine and a splash of lime juice, and you have yourself a Corona Sunrise. All right, we can't wait. We can't wait for the shrimp to dry. So we're going to show you the end result that I happen to have right here on ice, and this is what it looks like when it's done. And you can chill them, you can eat them hot, and as I said, they're peel and eat shrimp, so it kind of is like you put a bowl out, and you put your bowl out here, and you peel. And it's great that you can buy shrimp today where they've already deveined it for you, so you don't have to worry about that. The shrimp shell comes right off, really simple. Most grocery stores sell it like that now. I left the tail on. I pop it into my delicious cocktail sauce. It's got a kick because of that ghost pepper. I've got a new cool cocktail that I keep forgetting has tequila in it. And it must be a great Sunday here in New England. Anyways, I hope you all stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. I want to remind you of something, which is we are going to be off next week because I've got a family event we're going to, but we'll be back in 2 weeks. And the most important thing I wanted to tell everybody is thank you. Last week's show, we had almost 20,000 views on Facebook alone. Mind-boggling, right? Mind-blowing. Anyways, thank you. Cheers to you. Tell all your friends. Share it on Facebook. Share it on Instagram. Share it on LinkedIn. And until next time in 2 weeks, if it's Sunday, it's Sunday dinner with Chef Joe.